How to create NGL link and put it in Facebook. First is of course we need the app. Go to App Store, search for NGL, and download it. After installing, open it and click on Get Questions. In here, you need to put your Instagram username. After putting your Instagram name, click on Copy Link. Now exit the NGL app and go to your Facebook app. Click on your profile and then Edit Profile. Scroll down until you see the Links tab. Click on Add Website and then paste your NGL link. Save this and it will now be displayed on your profile. To see if this works, I will use another account to send myself a message. So switch account, search for my own profile, and type in a message. I will now go back to the NGL app, and here we can see the messages that I sent. So that is how you create an NGL link and display it on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.